Compass Publishing.
All right, now let's learn how to make the second dish. This is an Italian dish. It's a famous dish all around the world. You may have heard of it already. Can you guess what it is? Its name starts with a P and ends with an A. That's right, it's pizza. The great thing about pizza is that you can use many different kinds of ingredients. So, if you don't like some of the ingredients I use, just use ones you think are delicious. These are the ingredients I'll use: a crust, a can of tomato sauce, some cheese, an onion, and a few mushrooms. Now, follow my directions. Remove the skin from the onion. Slice the onion and mushrooms. Put the crust on a pan. Remove the lid from the can of tomato sauce. Pour the sauce onto the crust. Put the cheese on top of the sauce. Then put some of the sliced onion and mushrooms on top of that. Bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Before you know it, the pizza is ready. Be careful, it'll be hot. Let it cool down for 5 minutes before you cut it and eat it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!